Can I say something? I really feel like the team spirit is growing camp by camp.
I agree with you, Capodalia.
At the beginning was I didn't get some of your jokes, guys, you know, the Russian humor. But now, like, we vibe.
I didn't get your curve jokes either, but now, better.
Welcome to Waxing 101. Today we have Arthur.
Do you feel better?
Yes. Breakfast.
Translation, please. I'm gonna make a smoothie instead
of... Khamichkishine.
Khamich?
Oh.
But I need to wait for your brother to be up, otherwise I'm gonna wake him up.
Okay.
How did you hurt yourself, Arthur? Weightlifting? Powerlifting?
No. Freestyle wrestling. Google Translate.
It's working. Tell us a little bit about our social experiment.
Well, we're fasting until Arman's weigh in. Me, you, and Pucho just joined us as well.
Yes.
But I feel like he's gonna cheat on us.
No, because we're gonna put a glucose monitor on his arm.
Fuck you guys, you better worry about yourself.
No, we're good though, we're good. Easy.
Is your first time fasting?
First time ever.
What's your feeling at the beginning?
I thought it was gonna be hard until we were at In-N-Out and I didn't have food.
Linguine?
Linguine
with clams.
Clams.
I don't know what he said, but it doesn't sound good.
Because he's fucked up.
Today, weight cut day, and you're giving gelato. How that works?
Because Arman is a good boy. He deserves gelato. We're gonna buy also a lollipop. We're gonna go with 300 grams, so
gelato.
3/4 of a pack.
Can you like count that by your
For
eyes?
sure.
You're gonna be happy right now. In the morning, wake up, weight cut day, eating ice cream, cutting weight, you know, easy.
That's what we do.
That's it.
You wanna miss weight? Can I come?
Thank you.
So much. We are 20 hours from weigh-ins.
Everything good. We pick up for weight cut stuff, sauna suits, right? And everything what we need.
And then we're gonna do grocery shopping.
Yep.
We're gonna break our fast.
No.
He's Armenian, he's no Italian. If he says something, he do it.
Yeah.
So what do you wanna eat?
Ragu alla bolognese.
Then I'm not gonna fucking make it. So you learn not to be a piece of shit when you talk about me. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna make it.
My brother, Italian brother.
Things look pretty good for us.
I was surprised about what weight wake up this morning, Arman. I was very surprised because I was thinking it's gonna be like much higher than that. Capo told me, just watch, just look what's gonna happen. And I'm like a little bit suspicious. Like when he wake up and check his weight, I was like, okay, this is amazing. He knows his job very well, you know? Professional guy.
Professional guy. Hi guys.
How are you, Capo?
I'm good. I did this experiment trying this nicotine patch, which never had in my life. Never smoked a cigarette, but for the sake of science.
You like it?
No, I didn't. I was expecting an somehow exciting effect, but actually it was more of a downer. Decreased blood pressure, increased heart rate, and increased sweat rate. Vatche, press conference.
Great.
What do you think?
Arman's gonna fucking kill him. I am expecting a great fight.
Bratan.
No, what do you think?
I think chef is too nice for me. I think my skills don't match the one of a chef. I'm just a cook that knows the science.
All those degrees and certifications, and you're gonna call him a chef. He's a sports nutritionist.
Ish.
Or just ish.
Good morning. It's 5 a.m. It's the morning of the final weigh cut and weigh-ins, of course, and we're about 6.5. We're gonna be back for the return. Let's go. It's time to break the fast. Arturo, col guacamole. Recharge time.
The best time.
The best.
Energy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here going to the official buildings. Unofficial. Why do you say yes if it's
Ceremonial of rain.
with this guy that drives like crazy?
Armin teach me how to drive.
Tsarukyan.
How are you, Doc? Ready to rock and roll.
Ask Vatche, what did I do last time? Before the fight started, I gave the prediction, didn't I?
What was prediction?
Said first round KO.
What's the prediction for tomorrow?
I'm gonna tell Vatche. Good morning, Team Tsarukyan. Ready to rock and roll. It's fight day with Vatche and Capo and like other 20 people that show up this morning with some super flashy cars. I really feel like in
Armenian style.
I feel like I'm in a rap video with all the Escalades and stuff. I used to drive a Toyota Prius, by the way, to give you a little context. Rocking to the UFC PI with my buddy here, Eddie.
How are you?
Let's go. Fight day, Artur. Super healthy.
It's beautiful, bro.
Good energy. Proteinsky. How do you say in Russian?
Protein.
Protein.
Russian language is protein.
So we're here right outside the arena. UFC 300, what can I say? Work is done, there's not much to do for me, so now it's just about chilling, enjoying the show. I always say it's not very easy.
That's awesome. Sorry, so we're gonna be crazy for just a minute, okay?
You guys fucking go crazy. Thank you, bro. His brother just won the 300.
Yeah, we're
Are you
very
shitting me
proud.
right now?
Very proud moment for
Have a
Armenia.
great. He's coming right now.
Yeah.
I'll give him some
Be
love,
with
too.
us.
How you doing, man? I'm David.
If you have
Nice to meet
champagne
you.
in the house, bring it out.
Do you want me to turn my truck lights on for you?
If you want to, yeah.
Yes.
He's here, he's here. Come in.
Congratulations, man.
I appreciate
That's
it.
huge.
Let's go.
300, baby.
Let's go! Yeah! Let's go!
I'm sitting in my kitchen, and I'm like, I look up, kind of like watching the dish, and look up, and I see this guy like stretching somebody out. That's hilarious. Hey, dude, you gotta send that to me, man. And
Yeah, we'll.
I'll put it up on all my shit for you.
Okay, perfect. Thank
All right,
you.
man. Nice to meet you.
Nice
guys.
to meet you, sir.